Hey, what's going on everyone? Sri Kanase here, and today we're going to be talking about how you can automate your Shopify store so that you have little to no work and maximum income. So before we begin, make sure to hit that like button if you guys like these videos. Don't forget to subscribe to join the awesome growing family and stay up to date with this quality content. And let's just begin. Before starting, people think that doing online business or opening your Shopify store will be a lot of work and you'll have to 24/7 be on your laptop just sitting on the couch all day long doing Shopify. And if you thought that, to an extent, you were right, but that's only part of it. It's true that when you're starting out and you have a brand new Shopify store with no results, you're gonna have to spend quite some time on your store working on it. But as you get things done, such as after you finish building your website, getting all the necessary apps, making all the email flows, such as abandoned cart, new customer sign up, etc., the work becomes less and less. And after you have a successful Shopify store up and running, the only thing you're basically doing is finding new products and advertising, and to an extent answering customer emails once you start getting orders in. But it becomes very, very important to free up time to do the most important things, such as finding profitable products and doing advertisements. Because as your business grows, a lot of things start taking up a massive amount of time. And if you have a lot of things going on in your personal life, it becomes way hard to handle both things. And this could affect your business, which is what we don't want. So in order to automate your Shopify store after a certain period of time, I have a few tips here which can help you basically outsource everything and have much more free time to enjoy the money that you're earning and also get more results. Because if you spend more time doing something that gets you results, such as spending more time on advertising, you're going to make even more money. So the number one thing that I would recommend that you guys do in order to begin your outsourcing journey is to hire VAs. It is literally impossible to do 5 figures or 6 figures and beyond without a successful team backing you up. Because let's say you're on the bed one day and you're just super tired, everything hurts in your body, and you literally cannot get up. Who's going to handle your store? During this time, it becomes very important to have a team behind you that takes care of these things so you can relax and enjoy. And you don't necessarily have to hire a VA for every single task, but a few of the tasks listed here would be customer service VAs, such as those for answering emails or phone calls or phone messages, order fulfillment VAs, so filling the tracking numbers into your Shopify dashboard, and preferably an email marketing agency. Once you set up your basic flows, you want to hire an email marketing agency so that they take care of all the campaigns and flows for each month. And email marketing is actually a very big deal and equals a large amount of the total sales that you get. So definitely focus on email marketing as well. But if you hire VAs for these 3 things or even agencies, you will have much more free time to do product research and advertising, or even spend more time with your family and friends. Because after all, we earn this money to live the lifestyle that we want to live. And if we just hustle 24/7 with our businesses, then what's the point of even opening a business if you can't enjoy the money? The main reason why 99% of people open businesses is to earn enough money to basically retire and do less work. So that is what your plan should be. Calculate how much each hour is worth of your time, and basically anything below that you want to outsource. And a bonus tip is that don't outsource product research unless you have mastered it and can teach your VA, because many of the VAs out there aren't fully qualified to do product research, and you could end up spending way too much money trying to find products. So first, get a specific strategy on how you find products, and then maybe hire a product research VA later on. The second tip that I have for you guys is create basic strategies. So basically base strategies that you can use as guidelines for every single process. You want to try and fail hard in the beginning and learn solid strategies from that time to apply later on. In addition, you want to be sticking to them every single time and using them. This is why we have to try different things all together in the beginning so that we can find something that works clearly for us and use it later on every single time. This saves a lot of time, and it also helps in the automation process. So definitely have some base strategies that you work with and follow them each time. And the third and most important thing of all is spend some time relaxing / refreshing your mind. It is way too easy to get burned out by doing Shopify or e-commerce, because it feels like every single day you're trying to find new products, testing 4 to 5 products, and if you do this by yourself, it probably takes 2 to 3 or even more hours per day. And this can quickly and easily burn you out and just make you want to just sell your Shopify store. So in order to prevent this, you want to give some time every single week to yourself. And in that specific day, you want to stay away from Shopify and checking your ads or anything. And this is where creating Facebook ads rules comes into play. And you can check out one of my previous videos where I go over Facebook rules. But it's super important to relax and refresh your mind each time. So this was just a quick video on what you guys could do to automate your Shopify store fully and enjoy more of your time, because again, the main reason why we're doing online business is to earn enough money in order to enjoy our time. So if you guys did like this video, hit that like button, because that lets me know that I should be putting out more videos like these, and I'll see you guys next time.